Hello guys, my name is Pushkar Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to talk about the tissues and their types. So the tissue, the what is the tissue? It is a simple term. The tissue can be defined as a group of cells with similar shape and function are termed as a tissue. They formed a cellular organization level intermediate between the cells and organ system. Organs are then created by combining the functional group of the tissue. So there are four types of tissue. The first one is the epithelial tissue, the second one is nervous tissue, the third one is the muscle tissue, and fourth one is the connective tissue. So the collection of the tissue are the joint structural unit and they serve the standard function of organs. Then the purpose of the four types of tissue are different depending on the types of the organism. The first one, let's see the connective tissue. So the connective tissue is also known as the fibrous tissue or fluid connective tissue. The main purpose of that the tissue is to connect the organs or the connect the bone to the skin and bone to the muscle. So these are the group of tissues made up of from cells separated by non-living material called as the extracellular matrix. And the connective tissue has three types: the fluid connective tissue, second one is the fibrous tissue, and the third one is the skeletal tissue. So the function of connective tissue are it provides the connective tissue function by providing the shape and maintain the position of the different organs in the body. It function as the primary supporting the tissues of the body by getting attached to them. Other important and the major function of connective tissue are bodies are the first one is the insulating function. The second one is the help in the binding the organs together and provide support. It protects against the invasions of the pathogens by the phagocytic activity. Now it also refers the blood. The blood is a fluid connective tissue because it transport the it also transport the nutrition, hormones, and etc. and nutrients, etc. So let's move to the muscle tissue. They are involved in the producing the force and generating motion, either the locomotory or the other functional movement of the internal organ. There are the three types of the muscle tissue. The first one is the skeletal muscle, the second one is cardiac muscle, and third one is the smooth muscle. So the skeletal muscle is basically it is attached to bone. It is attached to bone in our body. Basically we have bones, and then we have a muscle attached to it, and then we have a skin, and it binds together. So to connect between the form a connection between the bones and the muscle, the skeletal muscle is very important, and the skeletal muscle provide the function of the joining this. Then the cardiac muscle is mainly found in the heart because it is involuntary because it cannot be stopped by our own, and it continuously running for 24/7 as human being lives. And then the motion of that muscle is not our not is in our not is our voluntary, not is we cannot voluntarily stop that cardiac muscle to function and regain the start muscle. And the third one is the smooth muscle. They are found in the inner walls of the organ. The function of muscle tissues. The muscle tissues are associated with the movement of the including walking, running, lifting, chewing, picking, and any dropping object, etc. So let's move to the nervous tissue. These are the main tissue component of the brain and of the component of the brain. and the spinal cord, and it is also and in the in the CNS. While in the peripheral nervous system, the neural tissue from the cranial nerve and spinal nervous system. So the function of the nervous system are the first one is the response to the stimuli. If we touch any object that is hot, and it gives a impulses or senses that the particular is hot, and we should have to retract that, we retract our hand from it. So it goes like a fraction of seconds action. So it is very, that's why the nervous tissue is important. It plays the major role in the emotions, memory and reasoning also. So thank you for watching this video, guys.